Hey everybody, Gary with Trueline RV here. Just showing you an update on this roof job. Didn't quite get the memo on what this was originally here for. I think it had a tree go through the roof. I could be wrong, but basically, I don't know if you saw the previous pictures. I'll put a couple in the post. The original ceiling was all pretty much laminated. There really wasn't much for framing in the ceiling. So for us to go back through here and do the repairs, we had to build some new trusses to go through the roof. We upgraded them quite a bit. It can hold a lot more snow now. Yeah, so we went ahead and upgraded them to spray in insulation. That'll help bond everything back together, seeing as that was originally a laminated roof. This will kind of help with that, and it'll also help with the R factor on their insulation there. But let's get my hand out of the way there. But basically, this is how it's coming along, and that's the stuff we use. And hop down here, show you the inside. Basically, the whole inside had to be done also. So all the ceiling panels and everything had to come out. They were pretty much one piece. Had to cut them out in layers. Try to get some more light in here, but basically here's our base layer of panels and all our holes pre-cut. And we will come back through here. I believe this is getting final covered ceiling put back in here. Of course, all the lighting and vents and all that will go back in, and we'll be able to come back through here and finish off all the trim and put everything back together. And we'll keep you updated on how she comes along. Have a good day.